Okay. Okay. All right.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Vision Salty Outdoor. Thank you for everyone tuning in and thank you for sticking around. This day of fishing, we started off pretty great. It was sunny and then the wind started picking up and it was getting colder, so I had to turn back around at the ramp, get in the truck, and change out my hoodie to a thicker one. And also had a little scarf that I could just wrap around my face so that way I won't be, too cold. But ended up it was being a great day. The fishing was great. We didn't hop around too much. We only been in like two different spots and caught our limit. We had a cooler full of keepers. We kept some sheephead, black drum, and some trouts as well. So overall, it was a great day. You all stay tuned and watch the video. So thank you.
Dude, all we're catching today is this side.
Good one?
Little red.
Baby. Chiquito. Still.
Little chiquitito. Little baby. Get bigger. Little puppy. Depends what kind of tree it is.
I was like, where did you? Because it's about to go.
Wow, it's gone.
Good fish?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good one.
Get the net.
Diving onto the boat. Just a red.
Net or no?
Not yet.
Almost keeper, looks like.
Almost.
Almost. Think
Sure.
it looks like. What do you think?
I think he's a kid.
I was going to say, looks like right at 19. Oh, maybe not. 20, 21. Right there. Bro, they're definitely
over here.
Huh?
Alright.
I was like, their fish aren't definitely on this side. I'll say that.
He's definitely 21.
I'm gonna say 21.
You said 19.
At first, but then I looked at him again. I said, maybe 20, 21. What is he?
21.
More fish your side now, Juven. I'm full of fish.
I guess. What is it, illegal? Okay, that looks like low. Then the last one. Okay, alright. But it's not a red, I know for sure. You ain't got the head shape or anything like that. Oh, it's sheephead. Nice one.
Gonna keep that sheepy?
I am gonna keep that sheepy.
They're pretty good.
I love them.
I've never eaten them.
What? You should. They're good eating.
Oh, that's a big.
Yep. I might eat that guy tonight.
So did you get that? Did you make that redfish for your family?
Yeah, I did. Well, just to show y'all, it's not as big as the last one I caught.
Something decent.
Alright, make me proud, bro.
I don't know what the heck it is.
Get up on the bow.
I was like, there's a weight on it, so whatever it is.
I see white.
It's running back and forth too.
Sheepy? Drum?
No,
That's a
like
drum.
another sheep or drum. What is it?
That's a black drum. Hey, nice keeper size. That's a good eating one. There we go.
One in the cooler. Once you net it.
I was gonna say, like, let me net him first. Yes, sir.
Finally.
Finally got one. You wanna hold him up?
Is he on?
Come on, bro, struggling.
Oh yeah, I'm struggling because he's trying to.
I got it. That's a small sucker. Oh, okay. Running towards me. Bro, that's a huge sandy.